Welcome to our channel. Common transmission issues and how used parts help. 1. Understand what a transmission does. The transmission helps your car shift gears smoothly and transfers power from the engine to the wheels. 2. Slipping gears problem. If your car suddenly changes gears or loses power, it is called gear slipping. Used transmission parts like clutch plates or bands can fix this at a lower cost. 3. Delayed gear shifting. When your car takes time to change gears, it usually means parts are worn out. Used valve body or solenoids can solve this issue affordably. 4. Strange noises. Grinding or whining sounds indicate internal damage. Used gears or bearings can replace damaged components without buying new ones. 5. Overheating transmission. Excess heat can damage the transmission system. Used transmission coolers or related parts can help reduce overheating. 6. Fluid leakage. If you notice red fluid under your car, it may be a transmission fluid leak. Used seals, gaskets, or hoses can fix the problem at a lower cost. 7. Warning light on. If the transmission warning light appears, it should not be ignored. Used sensors or control modules can fix electronic issues economically. 8. Rough or hard shifting. Jerky or hard gear changes mean internal parts are worn. Used clutch packs or gear sets can restore smooth shifting. 9. Cost savings with used parts. Used transmission parts are much cheaper than new ones and provide a good alternative for budget repairs. 10. Eco-friendly choice. Using used parts reduces waste and supports environmental sustainability. Final tip. Always purchase used parts from reliable sellers and inspect their condition before installation. Thanks for watching.